There's a whiskey I've been chasing for a while now. I can't buy it where I live. It's a rye, Florida rye, and the only place that makes it is hours north of me, on a family farm in the panhandle. So I got in a car. Florida stops being beaches pretty fast when you head north. Pines, 2-lane roads, the kind of quiet you forget the state has. This is it, a working farm. Off a back road in the trees, no big sign, you drive right past it. But everything that ends up in a bottle happens right here. The milling, the mashing, the distilling, the years in a barrel, all of it on this one piece of ground. And they do it all off the grid. Our solar still runs on propane. The water comes up from the limestone under the farm. It starts with the grain, and the one I came for is the rye. Florida black rye, a strain bred for sandy ground. You won't find it in Kentucky mash bill. And they do what almost nobody bothers with. They distill every grain on its own. Corn by itself, wheat by itself, rye by itself. Then they blend it back by hand. After it's aged, slower, harder, that's the point. Two neighbors started this. One's an engineer, the other's the distiller, a Scotch guy who fell hard for rye. They built it themselves and still make every drop themselves. No marketing department, no shortcuts. And somehow, the most awarded distillery in Florida. Then, the distiller poured me what he makes with it. An old-fashioned first, then a Manhattan. Same rye, 2 drinks. You could taste why I fell for it. Floral, a little grassy, spice through the middle, then it turns hot right at the end.
That's it. Worth the drive.
That's the thing about the good stuff. Some of it never leaves home. You have to go to it. The long way home. The bottles in the back seat. When I get home, I want to see what a grain from a farm in the woods does in a glass on my own balcony. This is it. 1 cube, big, clear, slow to melt. The rye first. Then maple, not sugar. They age it in their own rye barrels. A few dashes of their orange bitters. No garnish, nothing to hide behind. Stir it cold. 3 things, all from one farm in the woods. Floral, grassy, hot at the end.
I'm the spirit seeker, traveler through the night.
This is the drink they poured me. Same rye, my balcony. Still worth the drive.
And a coastline full of light. I bring the road back with me. One hope, one truth, one sign. Florida distilled, one glass at a time.